Hey, welcome to this 1 minute camping trip. First we set up our tents, a little while later, got a fire going, had some sausages, and then we went to bed. Next morning it was time for coffee, breakfast fire, eggs and peppers, bacon. We met this guy's name is Papa Giorgio. Then we got out on the lake for some kayak fishing. We caught some bluegill, some green sunfish, some crappie, and some largemouth bass. Then it was beer 30. Dinner fire.
Potato.
Pork chops. Pan of peppers to go along with that potato. We ate that up and then we went to bed. Next morning, breakfast fire. Oh my God, Becky, look at that bacon. This barn tried to get me to chew tobacco. I said no. See you next time.